think a lot of the time students aren't always taught these days about Welsh culture, maybe in schools. And when they come to college then, if we talk about, for example, Mabinogion, a lot of people don't even know what you're on about. So it's explaining the Welsh history, our culture, where we've come from, the outlook, the words hiraeth. A lot of students have heard of it but don't understand what it means. So it's just promoting all the background to what it means to be Welsh, and also because we have a lot of students coming in from outside Wales, is giving them a background understanding as well of what Welsh culture is about.